Morning vaqueros, this is Andre with University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a nice hearty breakfast to get you ready for a long day of hiking. First things first, you're going to want to get your charcoal ready the way I have it here. Now, if you saw my last video, I talked about the versatility of the Dutch oven and how it can be used both inside and out. And today, we're going to be doing exactly that. Now, if you are going car camping, you'll need a cooler to keep your ingredients fresh. So here's what you'll need today. An onion, some garlic, some tortillas, some bacon, some eggs, some sausage, and a few potatoes. Once your heat source is ready, you'll want to place your Dutch oven on top and get it nice and hot. For this recipe, we're going to throw in a few pieces of bacon and let that render down for a bit. While that's cooking, you'll want to cut up an onion and some garlic. Make the pieces as big or as fine as you want. It's all about flavor today. In the outdoors, you don't have to make it look pretty. Once your bacon is cooked to your desired readiness, throw in your garlic and onions and give it a stir. We're going to let this cook while we prep our next ingredient. Potatoes, same rule applied, but keep in mind the bigger pieces you have, the longer it'll take to cook. Once they're ready, toss them in two and mix them up. Go ahead and cover them up and let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now if you wanted, you could stop right here, but we're going to take it up a notch. I'm adding some maple breakfast sausage for that nice sweet and savory flavor. Mix it up with everything else and again, close the lid and let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, go ahead and crack your eggs into a bowl or cup or something you can mix it in. Now before we go on, I just urge you, if you're out camping, please pick up all your trash, even if it's biodegradable. Practice leaving no trace and leave your campsite cleaner than you found it. Okay, back to the video. Once your sausage is nice and cooked, you can again stop here if you'd like and eat it as is. Or you can pour in your eggs to get that nice all-in-one breakfast. Stir it up until all your eggs are cooked. If you need to have tortillas like I do, you can place your lid on your coals and use the inside to heat up your tortilla. And there you have it. This meal is everything you want before a nice long day on the trails. It's savory, sweet, and full of energy. Alright vaqueros, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go check out the rest of our cooking series. This has been Andre with University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department.